In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add the 3D spatial effect to your iPhone lock screen wallpaper here on iOS 26. If you don't know what this is a very cool feature that makes your wallpaper essentially come alive. Let's go ahead and get started. But before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions throughout the duration of this guide, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment. But in order to do this, you're first going to want to make sure that your phone is updated to at least iOS 26. This is going to work in future iOS versions as well. Just make sure you at least have it on iOS 26. If you don't know how to do this, go to settings and then scroll down and go into general. And from here, go into software update and just make sure you are on at least iOS 26. And keep in mind, this feature is only going to work on an iPhone 12 or newer. If you're on an iPhone 11, even though you can update to iOS 26, you're not going to see that 3D spatial effect option. Now, this effect does work with certain photos. The way that I recommend doing this is actually just opening up your photos library and choosing any image with a clear subject. Something like a selfie or a centered object usually works great. Or I also really like this little picture right here from the Spider-Verse because it makes like this little clock tower 3D. It's really cool. But essentially, choose whatever photo you would like to use. And keep in mind, not every single photo is going to work, but it's worth trying nonetheless. And essentially, select that photo and click on this little share button and then choose use as wallpaper. And it's going to pull up a screen that looks like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is tap on this little like 3D icon right here, and it's going to generate that spatial scene. And from here, I recommend pinching and zooming to get to the right area of that wallpaper. Something like that would work. And now, as you can see, if I move my phone around, it's going to be completely 3D and it looks absolutely awesome. Once again, I recommend experimenting with different photos. Not every picture is going to have the option, but centered objects usually do trigger that effect. Just play around with it until you find a wallpaper that looks awesome on your lock screen. And whenever you're ready, simply hit add. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. That's how you could do the 3D spatial effect to an iPhone wallpaper here on iOS 26 and onwards. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.